It's not often Albuquerque gets national attention for doing something right, but a new national survey is putting a spotlight on our city's fairly new community safety department and how it's reworking what happens when you call 911. Griffin Russian joins us from downtown Albuquerque. And Griffin, I mean, this, again, a fairly young department is quickly becoming a model for cities throughout the country.
It is, Tessa. Department reps say they're already working with a city in North Carolina that wants to adapt Albuquerque's community-based approach to community safety for their own community. Officials say it's a big accomplishment for a department that's still growing itself.
What I've said from the beginning is that we're building the plane as we fly it, and I think that is the nature of the game across the board.
Albuquerque's community safety department is not even 2 years old, but it's earned quite the reputation.
There was a situation where there was a man who was on a bridge and wanted to jump off. Police also happened to go to the same call. And what we've noticed is the officers now are learning to defer to us as sort of the people who might de-escalate and talk to that individual, because it's a little easier for us to build rapport.
In just about 18 months, the department's 42 civilian employees have responded to more than 20,000 calls across the city, mostly welfare checks and behavioral health emergencies. And that's just what they could get to.
A large challenge has been dealing with the demand, with the call volume. You know, we are not 24/7 yet. We don't have enough staff for that.
The department's success right out of the gate is proving a community-based approach to public safety can work. Research group Safer Cities used Albuquerque's program as an example during a recent survey, and nearly 80% of respondents said they would support one in their own community.
It really does feel validating that we can be a model, that we can help set the precedent for what alternative response looks like throughout the nation.
And while other cities may be looking to Albuquerque, department reps say they're still figuring it out themselves.
When you have a program that's so new like this, there aren't a lot of precedents that are set. Because we're unique, because there are different problems, we now have to come up with unique solutions that have not ever been solved before.
And just to highlight how new this department is, the staff is still waiting to move into their permanent home. They're actually on their second right now in less than 2 years. Reps say that the construction on that new facility could begin early next year. Back to you.
All right.